Hello and welcome. So today we're going to work on building core strength. Okay, so let's lie on your back and bring your feet on the floor and just take a moment to arrive here. Take a moment to let everything go. Okay, so bring your legs, your knees up, and you're going to have your legs to a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle here and a 90-degree angle here. Okay, so the knees are not close to the chest, they are away from the chest, so that the knees are right on top of your hip joints. Okay, so it's a bit challenging. Do what you can. The tendency here, and if you bring your knees forward, is to lift the lower back away from the floor, is to arch the lower back. You don't want to do that. Bring the lower back as close to the floor as you can. Okay, you want to avoid the arch. There'll be a little bit of arch, of course, a natural arch, but you don't want to do exaggerating that arch, because that will strain your lower back. Okay, so your aim is to have your lower back as much as you can in contact with the floor. Okay, so pay attention to that you're not arching your lower back. That's really important for here, because you don't want to be straining your lower back. Is going to hurt. Okay, so the knees are below your hip joint, are above your hip joints, and the feet is in the air. Okay, so 90-degree angle there and 90-degree angle here. Okay, all right, from here what you're going to do, you're going one leg at a time, you're going to bring your toes to the floor and bring it back, and you're going to do that 20 times. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pay attention to your lower back. Okay, don't arch, and let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bring both feet on the floor. Take a rest. It's hard work. Do what you can. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go to this into the same organization of the legs, but this time you're going to extend the leg, bring it down on the floor, lift the leg back, and then you bend the knee again. Okay, so let's do it. Bring the feet on the floor, 90-degree angle. Remember your lower back as close to the floor as possible. So you're going to push the foot away as if you're pushing the wall, as if there was a wall in front of you, and you push the wall away and you bring the leg down onto the floor, and then you lift the leg and bring it back where you started. Okay, that's 1. I'm gonna 20 times again. 2, 3, 4, with control, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make sure you're not bringing your knees towards the chest. Remember that the knees need to be above the hip joints. 90-degree angle here, 90-degree angle here, and lower back on the floor as much as you can. Okay, let's do it again. 1, hardly touch the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Bring the feet on the floor. Extend your legs and take a little rest. Okay, let's come back again. This time you're going to lift the legs, cross the ankles, and you're going to roll back and lift the pelvis. Okay, so 1, and you're going to do 20. 2, so you're lifting the pelvis, you're moving the legs back and lift the pelvis, not a roll. You need also to lift the pelvis. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross the other way, another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bring the legs on the floor. Take a moment to rest. Okay, now bring your hands below under your head, and we're going to do we're going to lift the head towards the knees. Okay, so like push-ups. But remember how to lift your head with care, okay? So you should not feel any strain in your neck when you do that, because the work is all in the chest and the torso, okay? Not in the neck. The neck is not involved in here, okay? So the elbows are close to your ears. Bring the legs up. The knees come towards the chest, and we're going to do this 10 times, okay? So you're going to bring your elbows towards your knees. They don't need to touch, okay? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10. 1, remember to breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, remember they don't need to touch. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bring the feet on the floor. Take a moment to rest. Okay, now we're going to go across. So one elbow towards the opposite knee, and then the other elbow towards the other knee. Okay, so bring the knees up, and here we go. 1, 2, with control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let it go. Release your arms, bring your legs long, and take a moment to rest. Now, bring your knees up once again. Now what we're gonna do, if this is too challenging for you, then please just do a few more of the ones that we did before, okay? So, you're going to roll up onto your pelvis so that you sit up, okay? So we're going to roll into sitting. So you're going to gain momentum and bring yourself up into sitting with a long spine, like so. Okay? And then you're going to go down again, and we'll do that a few times, okay? Well, you're going to stay there for 10 seconds, okay? So bring yourself up and stay here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, long spine. 4, 5, relaxed legs. 6, relaxed torso. 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you go round back with control, round the spine and roll with control, okay? Then we're going to repeat. Let's go back. 1, breathe in and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come down. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Let's go up again and see if we can do 20, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay here. See if you can bring your arms to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Bring yourself down. Hug your knees in. Well done. Let's do one more thing. Okay, bring your knees up like at the very beginning. We're going to do this tiptoe again, okay? 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10 more. Remember your lower back. Don't arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Hug your knees in, roll around. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now.